Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Google account, country, and Play balance are set. Open the Play Store, tap your avatar, then Payments and Subscriptions to view balance. If you need funds, redeem a gift card or add a payment method like PayPal or carrier billing now. Make sure the balance currency matches your purchase country, otherwise transactions can fail. Once done, you'll be ready to use Google Play funds for eligible purchases. Keep the account signed in on the buying device. You proceed by choosing an eligible item: apps, games, subscriptions, or select merchants that accept Play balance. Tap Buy or Subscribe and at checkout choose Google Play balance as the payment method. If the total exceeds your balance, choose a secondary method to cover the remainder. Make sure taxes and any regional fees are visible because they'll draw from your balance too. Once you confirm the selection, Google processes the charge immediately, so check the remaining balance to avoid unexpected declines on subsequent purchases. You finish by reviewing order history in the Play Store to confirm the transaction and save the confirmation email or transaction ID. If the purchase didn't complete, make sure your account country and payment profile match your current location, your balance is sufficient, and any VPN or payment restrictions are disabled. Try removing and re-adding the payment method if needed. For refunds, submit a request through Play within the allowed timeframe. If issues persist, contact Google support with the transaction ID for resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.